hi people, Simon speaking. Today I wanted to show to you how to fix jagged icons and fonts in LibreOffice because there are a couple of things you have to pay attention on because it is worth uh, to notice and to pay attention on. I did online research how to fix that, or also to turn hardware acceleration on. But you have to restart program. Meanwhile, I will be working with open tools. So we have the option appearance. What they said, it is important to turn this on. Oh, I didn't have to do restart, not yet. View. Anti-aliasing. And for fonts as well. Oh. I will check if I have any experience issue or not. Because some people reported that they had performance issue with one of the engines. One of the new engine. But I try to find it. And about we have everything smooth. Our phones are smooth. The thing about this, no, I just have to get back to you. What that engine does, it takes advantage of Vulkan backend and hardware acceleration as well. So if you have complex documents, it will work faster if you have lots of pages and lots of objects. I wonder if I should. Oh, I just have to deselect this. Okay. We start now. Now LibreOffice will take advantage of graphics acceleration. It will take advantage of graphics card. Options. You can see the difference. It works a bit faster. I wonder how this feature will work. I didn't write a big, huge document. I mainly use this application to make notes. I didn't draw any. I didn't write a long lecture or something like that, or book anything like that. I only use it to make notes. But I showed it to you because you can see smooth fonts, beautiful icons, but at least it is actively supported. They release they release new updates. This is actually brand new, 64-bit version. Oh, they even have built for Linux, Mac OS, and different architecture. For example, OpenOffice. I don't know if they released a new version. It is, oh, it will be released soon. Oh, oh no, it will be released soon. But OpenOffice is not being released. It was not being released for a very long time. I think it seems to be a bit outdated compared to LibreOffice. But I like this application very much because you can directly export a PDF document for iPhone as well. Okay, let's check. You can see the difference. Oh, this I don't like. It should be a little bit smooth. Text, no. Oh, this is nice. I like it very much. I wonder if I can move it not alone. No, I didn't mean to do that. Oh yes, now it is correctly aligned. I hope you like my video tutorial. See you guys.